What's up? It's Beth
and JP,
and we want to do a beta care video for you guys. So we're going to be showing you all the tips and tricks of how to keep a beta. Our first tip is to make sure that you always have some type of food for the beta. So we personally like to use omega-1 beta flakes, but you can use any form of beta food that you prefer.
when in a beta, you gotta make sure that it has enough space to live in. So a minimum 1.5 gallon and up per beta. Also, when having a beta, you want to make sure it has plenty of light, it has plenty of gravel, and it has plenty of plants that are nice and soft, because actually a lot of its fins, like the tail fins, they're easy to rip off. So you gotta make sure you get like beta plants that are made out of silk, nice and soft, so then they can sleep on it.
Another tip that we wanted to tell you guys is these fish are very aggressive, especially the males. So it's very hard to keep multiple of them in one tank. So keep that in mind when you're buying.
You can also add them with other fish, but you gotta be careful with guppies, mollies, because they are really aggressive. They're really territorial. So you want to have at least a 10 gallon with like a beta and like 2 other fish. You can also do beta sororities. Those are like all females, but you gotta make sure that they're all calm.
We also just wanted to say that there is a very common rumor that you can keep beta fish in cups or just tanks less than a gallon, and we wanted to say that that's really not true. And in order for your fish to be the happiest as possible and really just a good quality of life, it needs to be at least 1.5 gallons. Also, another trick into telling if your beta, male or female, is aggressive is at the store they'll have multiple betas and cups. So you take the cup, you match it up with another beta cup, and if the fins start to flare up and it goes crazy, you know it's a very aggressive fish. So if you're trying to do a sorority tank, which is 3 beta females, then obviously you're not going to want that one in your tank. So these are just a few tips and tricks of how to keep a beta.
Yeah, if you guys want to learn more about it, make sure you comment down below and make sure you leave a like. Stay tuned for bigger and better things.